Simple tricks and tips for being a great dog owner. Dogs have been considered man's best friend for thousands of years. That lovable animal that you think of as a member of the family has the ability to serve in many capacities. This video outlines some of the ways dogs have been useful to humans in the past, and still serve an important purpose in today's world. Whenever you travel with your pet, don't skimp on the packing. Of course, you need to be well supplied with his food, water, and any medications he may be on, but experts advise that you also bring his grooming supplies, vaccination paperwork, tags, and an extra leash. Also, bring a flat sheet for when your dog will be on hotel furniture. If you are thinking of getting a new dog for your family, be sure you are prepared for this commitment. Smaller dogs will require at least a 14 to 16-year commitment, and larger dogs will require at least 10 years. If you are not prepared to own the dog for its entire life, then do not choose a dog as a pet. Refrain from making the training sessions with your dogs too long. Extended sessions can make a dog tire out and become bored easily when you are trying to teach them new things. Limit your training sessions to 20 to 30 minutes, as this will help to keep the full attention of your dog. Ask your vet about which foods he can eat. Some foods can cause sickness or an upset stomach. Be careful when it comes to what you feed your pet. Knowing the background of different dog breeds can help you in selecting the type of dog that will fit your lifestyle. Whether you are looking for a lapdog or a hunting partner, this video provides some valuable information. Remember the tips you have learned here when you visit breeders and pick out a puppy. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.